In the name of Allah, the gracious and merciful. Arayta alladhi yukadhibu bid-din. Allah said in the Quran, you do not see a person who rejects the day of judgment. فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمَ. And this person who rejects the day of judgment, if there is no day of judgment, and there is no justice system of Allah, what he will do? فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُ الْيَتِيمَ. Such is the person who will repel the orphans. Get out. He don't like to help the orphans. وَلَا يَحُدُّ عَلَى طُعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. And he will not recommend people to feed people. Rather, he will say, don't feed these poor people because they are filthy. So that is another quality of the person who rejects the day of judgment. He will not recommend people to feed the poor. Other, it's not going to recommend, and he's not feeding himself to the poor. And he will even recommend people not to feed to the poor. فَوَيْلُ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ. Then woe to those worshippers, those people who are praying. الَّذِينَ هُمْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ. They are in their prayers are lazy. Pray time, don't like to pray. Delaying the prayer. And feeling lazy to pray. And not praying with the heart. الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ وَيَمْنَوْنَ الْمَعُونَ. And there is one quality of them, they will show off. Show off when they help people. Show off when they pray. Show off when they fast. Show off any good act of charity. They want to show off the people that they are doing something good. And not doing for Allah. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. And small kindness. Small kindness. Just a glass of water? No. Just use of your charger? No. Just use your ball pen? No. This is the people who are rejecting the day of judgment. May Allah guide us not to make among those, but always to do good for the sake of Allah. May Allah guide us. Ameen.